Hey, what's up guys? Quick little short video here with these black wired Skullcandy Ink'd 2 in-ear earbuds. They come with a standard good quality microphone and remote to control volume, calls, and things like that. A while back I got these Skullcandy Dime wireless earbuds. They're super great and I'll talk more about them in a future video where I'll share my review, as well as an older video where you guys can see my first impressions, unboxing, and setup. These wired earbuds, I got them for two reasons. One, because my old AKG wired earbuds got heavily worn out after almost 2 years of use, and two, because some people want to learn more about wired earbuds and my thoughts on them. So here I share my thoughts of what I think are the best budget wired earbuds. The packaging is pretty sturdy. It would have probably been easier with scissors, but I just decided to yank right through it. Skullcandy gave us a pretty standard yet nice packaging for the price. Skullcandy branding all over, which is nice to see. In the packaging, we got some user and warranty info, 2 exchangeable earbud tips, and the earbuds themselves. They feature supreme sound technology producing attacking and powerful bass. And I can confirm throughout my use of these, they're super nice. They come with a flat cable that is ultra durable and decreases those annoying and nasty tangles. With a wide variety of unique colors, you can add a splash of style and unique look that is built for you to last. As I mentioned, they're pretty basic yet beautiful, and if you're in the market for some good budget wired earbuds, I totally recommend these. I can't wait to see y'all in my future video, but until then, it's been Alex from Techrific. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you somewhere.